everyone, how are you all? I hope आप लोग अच्छे होंगे. So I am back with my weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 5th July to 11th July based on your moon sign. अगर आपको मून साइन नहीं पता है तो आप ये सन साइन, राइजिंग साइन किसी से भी देख सकते हैं जिससे आप बहुत ज्यादा कनेक्टेड हो. इट्स अ जनरल रीडिंग. जो भी गाइडेंस आप रेजोनेट कर पाते हैं करिए, अदरवाइज छोड़ दीजिए, परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है. और मैं टाइम स्टैम्प दे दूंगी फॉर ऑल द ज़ोडिएक साइंस, तो आप अपने ज़ोडिएक टाइम स्टैम्प पे जाके वो रीडिंग देख सकते हैं. फॉर एनी पर्सनलाइज रीडिंग मैं अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स, ईमेल आईडी सब डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. सो यू कैन connect with me, you can follow me on Instagram and you can reach out to me. Have faith, आप जरूर इन कार्ड्स के साथ रेजोनेट करेंगे, ये जरूर आपको हेल्प करेंगे डिसीजन मेकिंग ड्यूरिंग द वीक. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो, इफ यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल and press the bell icon to get video notifications of all the new videos, weekly horoscope, tarot reading, आपको पहले पता चल जाएंगे. Please share this video with your family and friends so that they can also take these guidances and plan their week accordingly. So without wasting any time, let's start the video of weekly horoscope. So first zodiac sign is Aries, that is मेष राशि. तो एरीज के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है? ओके, एरीज आपके लिए कार्ड आया है यूनिटी का, विच मीन्स डू द राइट थिंग फॉर द राइट रीजन. तो हमेशा सही काम करो और सही चीज के लिए करो. सो वही ये कार्ड आपको गाइड करता है कि इस वीक आप सही काम सही चीज के लिए करो. ऑल्सो आप देखो आपकी के लिए क्या वर्क करता है. ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स आपको सक्सेस दिलाते हैं कि जो यूजुअल आप फॉलो कर रहे हो, रूटीन फॉलो कर रहे हो, या आप सक्सेस के लिए जो भी प्लान आपने किया है वो आपको सूट करता है, या कुछ न्यू इनोवेशंस, न्यू अप्रोचेस आपको सूट करती है. तो कंपेयर करो, जो भी आपके लिए बेस्ट सूटेड है आप वो यूज करो, किसी की बातों में आके मत यूज करो. Also, you might join a spiritual minded community to have peace in your life. So, all the best, Aries. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac sign, that is Taurus. देखते हैं Taurus के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. Let me pull the card for Taurus. Okay, so Taurus, for you the card is 10 of winter, which means you will have the resolution of difficulties. So whatever difficulties you were facing last week, you will find the resolution for it. एक बोझ आपके शोल्डर से उतर जाएगा. And this card tells you to weight lift all your shoulders. Whatever difficulties you have faced, उसका आपको resolution मिल जाएगा. तो एक बहुत भारी बोझ आपके शोल्डर से उतर जाएगा. Also, this is the week where you will end on any addiction or any codependency. So, ये week आपको addiction और codependency को end करने के लिए encourage करेगा. कोई भी addiction, it can be, too much of emotional addiction, or you are dependent on too much on others. So, you feel like, addicted to that person. If he tries to leave you, you feel overwhelmed. So this card will help you to, this week it will help you to end off an addiction or codependency. So all the best, Taurus. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac sign पे चलते हैं, that is Gemini. देखते हैं Gemini के लिए क्या कार्ड है. ओके, सो Gemini आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 7 of summer, which means no more procrastinating. तो जो कल का काम कल करो, परसों का काम परसों करो, या सोचो जब कोई बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी तो लूंगा, तो छोटी अपॉर्चुनिटी छोड़ दो. सो नो मोर प्रोकास्टिनेटिंग. आज का काम आज पे ही करो. डोंट थिंक कि कल करोगे तो और ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. नो, आज का काम आज ही करो, कल के ऊपर मत छोड़ो. Your power comes from making a decision. Confusion that arises from over analyzing the option. So if you overanalyze the option, it will create confusion. So the power is when you make the decision. It's not impulsive. सोच समझ के decision लो, but too much of overthinking, overanalyzing the situation may create confusion and you will not able to decide or make any decision. So this is the time to remove confusions by not too much of overanalyzing, just making the decision if you feel this is right for you. So all the best, Gemini. चलिए next zodiac sign, Cancer, Kark Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Cancer. Okay, so Cancerians, आपके लिए कार्ड है Queen of Spring, which means this week you need to believe in yourself. You are talented, you are brilliant. So you need to believe in yourself. You are a very loyal and friendly person. So people should make friends with you, or you connect with people easily. Also, there are wonderful people around you to help you. You have to open your eyes and find the right person who can help you in your dreams. Also, you have to maintain a balance between your work and home life. Don't mix both of them. You have to maintain a balance between both. So all the best, Cancer. Let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, Leo. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Leo, for you the card is the Hermit, which means this week is necessary for you to take a break from society and find the life purpose. It is the time for soul searching. Also, you need to find a mentor to understand your purpose in life, or what exactly you need to do in life to achieve success. You can also go for a career mentor, relationship mentor. You need to have a break to find the answers for all these things. You have to introspect, look within yourself what exactly you need in life. Also, this week you will be committed to your spiritual growth. You need to have a spiritual growth in life. Spirituality is very important to find peace and happiness in your life. So you will be committed to your spiritual growth, Leo. All the best. चलिए next zodiac sign, that is Virgo, Kanya Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Virgo. Okay, so Virgo, for you the card is King of Winter, which means you are very knowledgeable and fair-minded person. This week you will be focused more on your career rather than on your relationships. So you are more focused towards your work. You will use mind over emotion. So you will be unemotional, in the sense you will be using more mind, more logic, and will be practical rather than emotional. So if you are seeking advice for your career, for your work, so you will get advice from someone very professional and objective, like King of Winter, very logical. So this week you will find someone professionally who will give you advice what you are exactly looking for and objective. This is the right week for people who are into motivation and public speaking. Also, you are more focused towards career, and you are more practical rather than emotional. So you will feel that you are into unemotional relationship because you are more practical and focused on your work, so you don't have time for any relationship. That's why you feel like you are into an unemotional relationship. So all the best, Virgo. Chaliye next zodiac sign, Libra. Let's see the guidance for Libra. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is 10 of Summer, which means this week you will have an emotionally fulfilling life, joyful life. You will spend time with your family and friends. If you are single, you will be married soon, or if you are already married, you will plan for a baby, or you will raise your children wisely. If you already have children, you will be raising them wisely, and you will have a happy time with your family. Also, you will find people whom you can trust. So you will have a bunch of friends whom you can trust. You will have a fulfilling and emotional family. You will spend time with them, and you will have a blissful and joyful week ahead. All the best, Libra. चलिए next zodiac sign, that is Scorpio. Let's see the guidance for Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is 8 of Spring, which means this week you might be working too much, and though you are very successful in multitasking, but you will face stress by doing so many things and so many things happening in your life at once. So your mind will be, feeling restless, stressed out. I know you are very successful in multitasking. You will be in a speed to do lot of things at one go. There might be sudden events or changes, fast movements, and too much of work pressure. You need to complete your deadlines. So overall, it's a running marathon week for you, Scorpio. All the best. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac sign Sagittarians देखते हैं. Sagittarians के लिए क्या guidance है. Okay, so Sagittarians, for you the card is 3 of Summer, which means this is the week where you will be celebrating with your family and friends. Maybe your success, maybe your increment, maybe your promotion. So news worth celebrating. So these news are worth celebrating with your friends. Your success, your project is appreciated, or you have got promotion, you have got salary hike that is beyond your expectations. So you will be celebrating with your friends and family. If you are single, there might be announcement of your wedding. So you will be preparing for weddings, or you are a student, you will be completing your graduations and attending graduation ceremonies, or if you are married, you will have a childbirth. So overall, it's the news worth celebrating: wedding, graduation, birth, salary hike, promotions, increment, and you will have good friends to cherish your success. So you will have a pajama party, or you will have an enjoyment with your friends. So all the best, Sagittarians. Let us move ahead to Capricorn. Let's see the guidance for Capricorn. Okay, Capricorns, for you the card is 5 of Summer, which means you have to trust that there is a reason for that everything that happens. So if it is happening good, universe is blessing you. If some challenges are there, or if something bad happens, it is happening for a reason. So you have to believe that whatever is happening with you is happening for a reason. You remove yourself from all the negative emotions which you are carrying from others. So you have to remove all the negative emotions and focus on which makes you happy, rather than focusing on things which is making you scared, which is making you worry. So you have to focus on things which is making you happy. You have to come out of negative emotions of others and trust everything that happens is happened for a reason. So all the best, Capricorn. Let us move ahead with the second last zodiac, Aquarius. Let's see the guidance. Okay, for Aquarius, we have the card Balance, which means you have to take everyone's input into consideration and merge these viewpoints which you feel is matching your decision you want to take, or you need a solution for your problems. So you will take everyone's input into consideration and merge the viewpoint to create a better solution which you require at the moment. So take everybody's input and figure out what is good for you, and that is how you will get a better solution. Also, you have to balance your emotions and take your time and do things. No need to rush, because sometimes if you rush out things, you may do something wrong or fell down. So all the best, Aquarius. Let us move ahead with the last zodiac, Pisces. So for Pisces, we have the card, the Wheel of Fortune, the wheel, which means the delays which you were facing from past few weeks is going to get over. There will be sudden or unexpected good luck coming your way. So it's the cycle of life. If you have faced challenges last week, rest assured you will expect a good luck. There might be sudden good luck and your delays will be over. If you want to buy a new car or a new house, this is the right week to buy something new. Also, you can plan for a world tour or a leisure trip with your family. So all the best, Pisces, and thank you everyone for watching the weekly horoscope. I hope this week will bring joy and happiness in your life and you are able to plan your week according to the guidance. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead. Cheers.